Hey everybody, welcome back to the Thinking Crypto channel. I've got some bullish news to share with you. Please go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, leave a comment below, and hit the subscribe button if you're new here. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you anything. Guys, Bitcoin and the entire market seeing some correction here. And as I stated in my videos just recently, we could go lower. I said this was just a 14% drop, but historically we've seen 30% drops, right? Now, look, no one can predict the future, but obviously you want to keep these things at the back of your mind, that corrections are healthy and they happen on the way up. So look at this chart here, right? We are, of course, have a upward trajectory. So by no means are we like heading down back to like 9,000 or something, right? Just keep that in mind. You will have a correction, but then we're going to keep going back up. So keep that in mind. The dips are for buying, not financial advice, just what I'm doing. Like, to be fully transparent, today I actually loaded up on some more Bitcoin and some VeChain. That's just me. I'm not telling you what to do, but I'm being transparent on my front. Now, guys, the bullish news. This is big, and it's big on multiple levels. We're going to break it down. So PayPal stock is up this morning. Well, it was up this morning as per Kate Rooney from CNBC due to, or should I say, after the Mizuho upgrade, citing Bitcoin. Per Mizuho survey, 1 in 5 PayPal users have now traded Bitcoin on the app. 65% would use it to pay. Bitcoin traders see approximately a 3x higher usage frequency, larger cash balances, use more services, boosting PayPal monetization potential. Guys, this is so big. So it could potentially start a trend here, the same way MicroStrategy did. If you're holding Bitcoin or you're offering some sort of Bitcoin price, it will send your price, your stock valuation higher. You know how many public companies are going to want to do this now? All of Wall Street, all the publicly traded companies. How can we incorporate Bitcoin? Could it be we add a service like PayPal did, crypto trading, right? Could the credit card companies, MasterCard, all these folks start doing that? Yeah. And not only that, what MicroStrategy and what their CEO recently said, more companies are going to put Bitcoin on their books. They're going to take the cash reserves and put it into Bitcoin. And that right there could help boost the valuation of their stock and overall company because Bitcoin's value is going up. Guys, this is so significant. I'm not trying to do hyperbole here or, pump you up. I'm looking at this from a business standpoint, like crypto being on the books now or a service will boost your stock. Which company doesn't want that to happen, right? This is going to be interesting. And as you can imagine, the shareholders of these publicly traded companies are going to want to have that happen because their stocks are going to go up. Well, let me play the clip here of the company that's upgraded PayPal stock.
As Bitcoin sits just about at record highs, companies are cashing in. Just today, Visa partnering with crypto startup BlockFi for a Bitcoin rewards credit card, which will give you Bitcoin instead of cash or miles. And Mizuho is out with a new note, raising its price target on PayPal, claiming that Bitcoin exuberance is boosting engagement on the platform. That stock hitting a record high today. Joining us now, the analyst behind that note, Mizuho's Dan Dolev. Dan, great to have you with us.
Thank you. Great being back.
Going into Bitcoin and allowing users to trade Bitcoin, this is all about engagement. And so what have you found in terms of how much more engaged users are because of Bitcoin?
This is a great question. Look, so the survey we did, we surveyed almost 400 people, and surprisingly, almost one fifth of them already traded Bitcoin. Remember, PayPal opened Bitcoin trading about 3-4 weeks ago, or even less than that. So this is a huge number, and 65% of them actually want to use Bitcoin as a currency on PayPal's 28 million merchants. But the key thing is not the Bitcoin revenue itself, which is minimal, it's the higher engagement. So it turns out that those people that trade Bitcoin are more than 3 times more likely to engage with the PayPal app. That means they have more products to use, more paying for QR codes, etc. They use more product, they use it more frequently, which enhances PayPal's revenue opportunity. So it's all about engagement, and we see massive upside to engagement, and that justifies our $290 price target today.
Wow, guys, did you hear that? It's leading to more engagement on PayPal, obviously affecting the company's value, its stock value, and its potential outlook, right? This is big. And I'm telling you guys, this should be, I think this is a big green flag right here. Big green flag. Watch other companies, payment companies, credit card services, whatever it may be. Look, they're going to be having a board meeting. How can we add Bitcoin and crypto into our service? Or can we invest in it like MicroStrategy did and preserve our wealth, preserve our cash reserves, and grow that, over time and the company's valuation, which can impact the stock price. This has so many implications, guys, and these analysts, right, they're recognizing that and they're upgrading the stock. Boom. Boom. Guys, oh man, this makes me so bullish. I'm so bullish on this news right here because this is taking us into the traditional financial world, and you have a lot of people who focus just on stocks and company valuation. And if crypto is going to be a part of that, watch more companies add services around crypto and invest their cash reserves in crypto. And remember what Michael Saylor said recently. I did a video on it when he was on CNBC, guys. What did he say? Google and Apple are coming next with their billions of dollars in cash reserves. And they're not going to be the only ones. So get ready. Be patient. This thing is going higher. Now, some big news here from BlockFi. I use their service, their lending service, where I earn interest on my crypto and all that good stuff. Well, they're going to launch a Bitcoin rewards credit card in early 2021. This is big, and more companies are going to do this, right? I currently use Lolly, where I use them to shop. You can see here through the app, where I use them to shop, and I earn cash back in Bitcoin. And I like it so far. The money I've earned through Bitcoin has increased, as the price has gone up and the market's gone up. So this is the future, guys, especially this asset class is growing. There's a lot of potential for return here. So cryptocurrency lender BlockFi has taken its first step in the payment space. The New York City-based company, known for its lending operation, interest-bearing crypto products, and trading desk, announced Tuesday it will launch its long-awaited Bitcoin rewards card in the first quarter of next year. Very bullish, guys, and as you can imagine, watch out for American Express, MasterCard, Discover Card, Visa. They will start adding Bitcoin and all kinds of rewards and crypto rewards and all that, guys. So this thing is taking off. Next, we have USDC issuer Centerland's Wall Street veteran David Puth as CEO. The company behind USDC has added a new face that could help further institutional adoption. It speaks to the poaching and the change of the traditional financial world. These people who are holding high positions, veterans, very experienced, they're now coming to the crypto market. I wonder why. So Center Consortium, the company behind USD Coin or USDC, has hired former State Street and JP Morgan Chase executive David Puth as its new CEO. If you're wondering where this crypto market is going, it's going to be big, guys. It's going to be bigger than the traditional financial world, just because of how global it is on the blockchain, and you're going to have tokenized securities, commodities on it as well. So great news. Also, some very weird news here. Facebook Libra rebrands to Diem in anticipation of 2021 launch. So this is a strange one. The Libra Association, put together by Facebook last year, is rebranding in further efforts to distance itself from the original Facebook-led vision rolled out last year. The group, composed of 27 firms, announced Tuesday it was changing its name to Diem, the Latin term for day, as it gears up for the potential 2021 launch of a single dollar peg stablecoin. So we talked about this in a recent video, guys, here, and it was 3 days ago. This is bullish for the crypto market, not the name change, but the launch of a Facebook Diem, now if you want to call it that, their respective stablecoin, and it's going to be backed by the US dollar initially. And this is bullish for the crypto market, further building out the ecosystem, more education and awareness of how money can be tokenized on the blockchain, which will lead people to crypto. You know it, guys. And they're going to use the Facebook Diem to buy Bitcoin and crypto. It's going to have interoperability, right? Just like you can with other stable coins right now. So a weird name change, but who cares? They're going to launch it. They're going to marketed to their millions of and billions of Facebook users. And obviously that's through Instagram and on the other platforms they've acquired. And this is going to be bullish for the crypto market. Guys, I don't know if you are as bullish as I am on this PayPal news. This has got me excited because I see so much potential. I see the unlocking of so much money to come into crypto, more services, more on-ramps, more investing into the cash reserves into Bitcoin and crypto like MicroStrategy. This is big. This is big, guys. Guys, what do you think? Are you in agreement with me? Do you think this is bullish as well? Leave your thoughts and comments below. Share this video, and I will talk to you guys later.